It looks like normal glasses. These glasses are called a frame. They got an augmented reality display, a camera, a microphone, and they're totally open source, which means that the schematics for this are completely available online. You can literally just build one yourself, or you can buy it on Brilliant Labs websites for $349. So I'm excited to build projects for this. Just a word of warning, if you're interested in getting one of these, this is a device for builders, not consumers.
Okay, so the concept of how AI is going to get trained, where it's going to get its information from, et cetera, is something where one of the channels we have is little news updates when you find something you think is relevant to the rest of the community might find interesting. I'm loving getting it in my text messages. I'm loving getting some of the messages. I'm loving some of the conversations we're having, but I think it might be much more fun to change our habits to get them out there where others can participate in them and as our community grows. JC, you have anything else you want to add to our discussion here, or feel like you can walk away with any pieces of it? I know you're totally bored and have no interest in this subject. Uh-oh, you're on mute even. That's how we were catching you. You're still on mute.
No, I'm just excited to meet people that are excited about the things that I'm excited about, which best day ever, every day. So we need